Stars and nation Susene, Coach Otuado, was assistant formation or ball 5 back. People are saying, hey, Madagascar and Ghana be shining about 5 back. Mohamed Cruz, Jibona to the Cocos were Pierre Antoine Semenyo, goalkeeper for Madagascar, Jordan Dupiri, who Pierre Bebo Bones himself to a throwing Jean-Antoine Fentia, Madagascar. Gideon Mensah, Atobanama, Mohamed Kudus back to Gideon Bobona Kweche, the Kwakuma, Alexander Jiku back to Jerome Opoku, Jerome Siakaidema, Istanbul Basaksehir, Ewo Turkey Super League Nemo, Bono Kita, Antoine Semenyo back to Gideon Mensah, the Bona Kweche Kwakuma, Mohamed Salisu, the Black Stars of Ghana, Amubo Bibi Salisu the Bonache, hey. Asemeba Debi Madagascar for no almost a massa referee. This should be a card was last month and the referee is massa and you know about the main yet until a buffet study. I know I asked my referee na catch Madagascar player no a free kick Jambo Fentia mind conquer Ghana Matthew Akampedi or no energy bonnet to Piabadama Ryan Ravleson, another throwing Mohamed Cruz, Akotakawa Jibono, a throwing Yanto Fentia, the Black Stars, Madagascar, Amatu Bonnetimu, Bono a pinching pitch, Jordan Ayew, your channel to a referee, Wajifa Odiama. The captain for the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana. 9 minutes played so far. Ewo Morocco Monte, so Black Stars 3 back perfection with 3 solid mid defenders. Alexander Jiku, Wabobonesim referee Peden, Wajifao, Edetia Madagascar. Wajifao, and Osha commentary na subscribe ne like na share no bisunya binhwe ha and benya all the exclusives we did the Vincent money man atrase and enche bia na 10 minutes abante the first odd na me the man 10 minutes draw no na say ya ba ne sa Jordan Ayew ne jabo na chi bono be hu edema Black Stars obetime piama Mohamed Kudus Black Stars of Ghana opia ne so da bi Jordan den na ye Black Stars, Jordan Ayew, a chance! What a goal! And a goal! Thomas Partey! Hey! 10 minutes draw. It's when go ni buy na 10 boy. And na 10 hey, money man. Also be church him. Thomas Partey, the Ghanaian international. What to train the kind. The Black Stars of Ghana, what a header, money man.
Yes, I think it was a good header from Thomas Partey. Jordan Ayew first free kick no that no na opeso here say players ni betimi aye den o megine gina ye ntina ye hu say with a nice cross Thomas Partey itimi a first goal. Me kan say Ghana timi first goal be boa ye because ohwa a first goal be ma Madagascar for na popo kakra na afidi ato yembo ase e the goals na aka na den asoso amom.
The senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, the dream for America, Canada, and Mexico. FIFA World Cup 2026 is on course.
Obiso processing the visa is here.
Yeah, own your passport. I acquire your passport because World Cup in there. They acquire Mohamed Salisu, Wachester Bono, Abobo Nache, Bono say Thomas Partey, Opiamba Mohamed Kudus, Bona say Ryan Ravleson, Mohamed Kudus. Okwako Chano Ednashiho, the Black Stars of Ghana, 10 minutes into the game. Jabat Nedikai, what a goal, and what a free kick from Jordan Ayew. OPSC Canada. Obviously, visa processing activated. Meaning, Kona Kokoyan in tem. Na Yegna Yekombo, say Ghana, the yellow is working. Ghana go love you. Visa processing in some amount for a car no game no emoya de Madagascar maba bono ne so da bi bono e number bi kra Benjamin Asari Abe the Polygon ninja aye din na Japan ni mu o hwese nei obetimi keep clean sheet Shano so say in the Ghana Premier League Benjamin Asari for Hearts of Oak will keep 12 clean sheets 12 clean sheets. And then the first game for the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, and I do keep it clean sheet. Abra Ghana, I win by 5-0. Thomas Partey, a Pimbono, and a Siakandema Asna. Bibiaye de, make down.
Yeah, Vincent, to be say yellow jersey no. And a D in Munyam Nini na Abantino white in the more moon shall crab you. White in the more moon confine should be yellow na.
Jet to a live commentary so. Jordan, are you captain for the side? Ghana puso alternate kind. And now good you cry, make down. Bono Babedi Alexander Chiku Piambana Kwacha Kuma Kingsley Shinla Mohamed Kudus Achibako Abu Francis 1-2 with Jordan Ayew and Mohamed Kudus the Black Stars of Ghana on Mate Praga and Sudabi and you're throwing 13-minute play so far El Morocco Montes so money man are we going to see another goal in the first half in this game?
The approach now Black Stars for the bar game Numa is a very good approach. Omo ya margin say defensively on very solid. Na chances no mbenya no metimi a convert. Nti ehun say you win a lot of free kicks. I think with a free kick, 2 free kicks is enya no. Baako and a Salisu chance a far pole nche. The second one and a Thomas Partey 82 pole. So they are trying to take their chances and make sure say any chance be benye bi ombetimi dia shego nti enye mo say game ni bend na Ghana timi a she 2 goals and the 3 goals awuah Inyama bibia bekoye amom. But
as a set pieces no very good, especially in this game.
Yes.
And looking at how our Madagascar for no bomb, we might get a lot of free kicks, and if it's a bit more utilized here, we might get a lot of goals from the set. Because first free kick na your boy no same free kick, and then a Salisu, Obose no, and same one, and then a Thomas Partey sunya also the two at them.
Yes.
Gemino Mohamed Kudus, what a save! Black Stars of Ghana, can you talk Atlanta Sumienu? Schindler across the border, Sudabi, and your corner kick. And your corner kick for Black Stars. Most subscribe to the YouTube channel. MyBets.Africa and then Osha na wa like it na wa share no biso nya bia hwentene mo subscribe na mo miss any update. You corner kick for Black Stars. Jordan Ayew na Jabonachi. Money man. Yeah. Why now the comment ni bia for
yes. Comment e kokọ so wa ha de anu edin ye papa obi say nke ka kiti nke MPP for say Black Stars and the NDC bar power Black Stars nyama ekoyi ewo nti no wo hwe comment e koso ha dia anu edin ba me de beba comment ne bi wo ha nika me de beba be femu amom.
Black Stars of Ghana born kita Mohamed Kudus Piambana Kwacha Kuma Abu Francis fine player Usiakan ma Seke Bruges ewo Belgium Monte so Thomas Partey watching nicely Mohamed Kudus Achibako Kudus Piambana ma Thomas Partey Patas Chimbako Olusubono Madagascar Amate Praga Bona Babedi Madagascar na Sudabi Thomas Partey Asanya kwa Clebon efri ho Nice game. Looks like in the Black Stars, they look good in the 3-back system. Jordan Ayew, wa control ball, wa also ball be kwane so that be. You welcome go ke Kishan boy friends here. Black Stars of Ghana. Subscribe for more updates. Internet Ocean live commentary, live streaming now what bought subscription so now what subscribe it. Now I turn on notification. And then give your message with proud and chain. Unruly boss no.
Vincent Emmanuel Amuzu comment say born na Ghana boy and I testing your name draw born na Germany born.
Yes, but to be very honest, and the game never. And the game and the players are pressing. And I think that Amuzu can't the pressing aspect of the game.
Yes.
I want to say Otuado Suno, what's not German is Antino or a German tactician. So what you say? Or a German tactician. Jordan Ayew once alone or body man Antoine Semenyo poor control Kensa Ghana and the Adibeye Madagascar and the Rona Omubo Mohamed Kudus no a very good year pa or Bob Moore as like force as a double number 10 and also as a winger and then Jordan Ayew and Antoine Semenyo omu a changes nice setup players are only the line for the Black Stars. Bakubo Leicester City in the English Premier League. Bakubo bempah and Baku Sansobo West Salisu. Experienced players and they omobet me all kinds of pressure. Jordan Ayew or Semasa or Kwakobuno. Hey, Akwatete. O butu Jordan say Masa. Minisani, Masa Utibo mana. Or the South Wanaji was say, oh yes, hey, Ghana for. Oh yeah, Babu says yeah. A free kick for the Black Stars. Madagascar player no. Or Kwano Utim say, or Nishatabano Tintin Yape. Subuga odi oponi. More subscribe for more updates. Hey, Madagascar. Abranta Hindinde John Baggio Usiakai Edema Timandi Edi Sukutia our Thailand so we dimwa Mohamed Kudus Yasoni mu referee anje foul Madagascar for no any kitabo no Ryan Ravlesen opia banama nipa ewo mfifia famo boni kita Madagascar Matthew Akampadie Piabo no Madagascar Forte Praga Warren Cardi ye chana to form a free kick maybe a born dane hu ye papa men kan dada Arnold Randianatianiana akwani dino no Arnold Randianatianiana akwawi a free kick for Madagascar 20-minute played so far. Morocco mountain so maybe a born dano just like Babena Black Stars the end dano born who ye papa we have to defend very well and Mohamed Kudus and Antoine Semenyo omone jina born echi Ghana is playing very good. I know a messenger Latifa Ibrahim Ravlesen wabobona Alpha baby and Kopesen Korea Abe Benjamin Asare Naso Wanyaboni Yukra poor technique obviously there's something in this yellow jersey Jenny Lamy some short man day inside who that I don't know your friend no Baggio o chawadre obviously we will go with 30 flights and to Semenyo a chance for the Black Stars. That's what I be you foul what you foul the etia Black Stars bono ekita Madagascar. A man for say a lot of people watching my bet.africa. More subscribe for more. And I'll be the live updates. Say Black Stars more parliament subscribe yama. Say subscribe. Nanya all the updates. Mohamed Kudus or the Bonakwetia Kokoma, Alexander Jiku, Siakan Fenerbahce, Ewo, Italy Monte so. Scranda TV also the pitch is helping the Black Stars. I say it is because the pitch is good. This is European standard. Godfred, I love your commentary. May I say, can I prophesy? I see you and one Massa Saint King. Maybe you pay your baby. No, I'm not forced to say, hey, Buki, this are baby. You can prophesy. Oh no, oh yeah, principalities for Nibiana. Come on, Father, I'm real. Now they go in Money man, 23 minutes played. Played so far. Send us who game no. Just say Ngolo can't for mutim no. Bad you know. One aquatic card no. I want to do get. Hey,
I think in the first 23 minutes, I Black Stars a bobo ye. Ni say with a 3-back system no maybe a bit how I'm going forward. But so sure they've been doing so well going forward. I don't feel say more even a 3-back system. But it's more of they going forward, attacking more, and they you who say it's me and go defensively. Oma is very solid. Oma is very solid. And I'm no suni who's a Jordan Ayew, Mohamed Kudus, any Antoine Semenyo finding spaces in Abwom. Ama Ghana create a lot of chances. Pressing into the Nyamianim Nukreni. Mebo coaches Nabaso said the way I pressing be a lusu now within some few seconds. Non-person will recover ya deba kwa Ebwa Ghana yintinu. It's me to also say the second goal there. A bit me abanet is a 3 points ni yetimi aje. Na 15 point ahead no. Yetimi 5 point ahead of Madagascar ni yetimi atwimu na afidie. Bibia ayedi ya Ghana for.
We say I'm Dinah. I'm looking for love here. Hey, baby, I'm for Copedo. And easy yo. Watching from Qatar. Messi Obin. Chacha Obia. Benjamin Asari, a goal kick for the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Benjamin Asari, at the age of 28, and then when you had the chance to play for Great Olympics, into spending half of and now most of the age, you know, Ghana, she won Division 2. Obenya a chance now when you're 28 years, and in 5 years' time, he's playing for the Black Stars. Straight from Great Olympics. Obayana, or you're the captain for Hearts of Oak. Benjamin Asari, they call him Koligono boy, true and true. Bonikita, Madagascar. Mohamed Cruz, what's the Praga so that be Madagascar for now stopping on. Referee, what you found here, Francis Abu Francis. I see Black Stars back. We're gonna win, no doubt. From London, I'm watching it. And when Edward Mensah message on the bano, my guys are good. I began Amwa. Sakari Philip, experience commentary. Abu Musa, I'm watching from UK. Kind messages na Baneba. Subscribe for more updates on mynbet.africa. Subscribe for more. 26-minute play so far. Gideon Mensah, former Wafa player. Abrante away somewhere. Eka Gideon Mensah eka basa for air sign in an interview or can say would have been a life-changing move for Ono Usiakan Wafa ene uko France a oze eho enene odinikwi award de Madagascar for no mo wo bench no o meba no mo tu nyina amo amo o me da bobo second half hey watching from Ohio Kwajo Divine marvelous. I like your commentary, thank you. I say Kotoko, hi bro, I'm watching live from Germany, watching Gladbach. Your church will be with Germany Monte so Antoine Semenyo or the Bonama Abu Francis will share Kingsley Shinla Nesodabi Madagascar Fona Clebone for Bonian say Abu Francis quickly with two Mikaba Betima intercepted Bono we're trying to form referee play must continue. Bonaba Bedi a Branton Lade Clement Couturiel with Pierre Bonacoba Jean Meslin for Madagascar or the Panama Shotman Devil. Yajibo referee say Shotman Devil master referee no Ben Asiana Mohamed Kudus Swati Praga 2-1 Semenyo the Black Stars a one touch from Semenyo a goal, what a chance. Money man.
Yes, I think the link up play between you and front three are very good. Oshe Mohamed Kudus Boji trying to link up with Semenyo or run. Na me dream pose be a Semenyo be sign echi, but ononso e monitor run and utimi cross. It was just a miss. And yes, Adianka Ghana enya the second goal. So we comment now. Grip say boy na ye boy no as a Hansi Flick any coach Black Stars.
Keshia Mall also great job man Bet TV watching live from Boston. More subscribing for more updates, more live commentaries. Waiting for Ghana in Toronto. Dennis TV, Minya Irabeshia. Watching live and clearly from UK. Ghana 3, Madagascar 1. And today more predictions. No more bet me at the about the comment section. Or the bar now will subscribe for more updates. I love your commentary, Fred Moore. I'm sure we can make it. Surely we will make it. And there is Afo watching live in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. Jeddah. Hey, I'm out for the mucha bet on my bet too. Thomas Partey, the Black Stars, what a pass! Nice interception from Jean Marcelin, money man.
Yes.
Fine defending from the young chap.
Yes, I think we almost bomb homoding. We have Black Stars and so with Thomas Partey, Abu Francis, in Finfi, no more Bobo ye, Papa Power. I think there's a new reformed Black Stars team. I first no who's a players no modern bonny or kick on more crowd game no more fan with motivation was show ye pine who said even game or mobile who said with runs any tackles name yama could be me no coswa. Ye say to us wa ye bet me aqua World Cup nibia aqua G and Dean Power.
Madagascar no so that be a Branson no yes tackle no money man men can down. He's an experienced player. One of the players are our ball to the highest level of Madagascar squad nimu. No academy boy for Oze team na Gideon Sambono and they Monaco for at $11.1 million and now 10 million euros and I'm the Kofano a free Oze Emanba Monaco Omundini ko Circle Bruges Bebia a Branson in the day Abu Francis Esiakan one Lawrence Ajekum Esiakan no and now Osanso back to Monaco oko Bordeaux ene our Beata Jerusalem our Israel so he's an experienced player and yeah good kra Sansona Thomas Fontaine the defender on the boss center pair no also Esiakan our the French League 2 social ono so wabo Lorraine wabo Oze wabo Clement Foot munyina Nancy munyina wabo ba Brest de onyambo Brest team say France teams ni de wabo bebre na live commentary my bets .africa game no emoye de watching live from North Korea. Go Ghana. Today the game is actually organized. I love the commentary. Rex Hansen, your church will be North Korea, and your corner kick for Madagascar. Kofi Pipi from Konongo watching from Germany. Hey, Konongo boy, I could more Germany. And you grow. Live commentary. Bon Obedi. Madagascar Clairefontaine was sunny born tin abema Branton there Arnold Radaratniada or the Bona Quecha Kokoma Thomas Fontaine back to Captain Fantastic. Como pia bona content no Madagascar omo bobo fe papa men kanda daw intene se won hu so mo share obi 4-1 Martin Black Stars of Ghana omo agyapong starting calling family and friends in USA to welcome me permanently.